Hello everyone, good evening. Today we are going to start a very exciting video tutorial series on Selenium with Java. Let's start with downloading and installing and configuring the test environment. Alright, to do it, what we have to do first is we have to go to Google and download Java. Let's start downloading and installing JDK. JDK means Java Development Kit. Okay. Before we download and install, let us check whether we have Java in our machine. How we can check it? Just we will write Java and write dot version. And we can see Java is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program, or batch file. So we don't have Java on our machine. So first we will need JDK, and I'm going to navigate to Google and I just write JDK 8. Actually we do have 9, 10 and 11, but I'm going to take 8. This is my personal choice. You can choose anything, any version. Okay, so I click on the first link, then I just click on download and accept the license, and according to my operating system I will choose to download 64. If your Windows, if you have computer or laptop Windows 32, you will download it. If you have Linux, then you have to download Linux version. If you have different operating system like Mac operating system, then choose this one. So I'm downloading it. My computer is 64 bits operating system. How I can check it? I can check it many ways, but I'm going to check it with my control panel, then double click on system and security, then double click on system, and here I can see system type of my machine is 64 bits. Okay, now I go back to Java AC Development Kit and choosing this one. I just click and it is being downloaded. Okay, I don't want to keep all this. It'll take like 15 to 20 seconds. Sometimes it takes a little more or less, but usually 10 to 15 seconds. I see it is still being downloaded, almost done. Maybe a couple of seconds more. All right, it is downloaded. Now what I can do, I can just click here and click on show in folder. Okay, and we can see JDK is right here. Now you can just right button click and run as administrator and click on yes. All right, welcome to installation wizard for Java AC Development Kit. Next, and I'll go next again. It's being installed to C drive program files. You can change, always you can change to any place you can take it. You can take it to your desktop or your uh, C drive, or if you want to take it to another drive, whatever. Click on next and it's being installed. Okay. Extracting installer. I'll just click OK. Click change to install Java to different folder. Actually, I don't want it. I want to keep it here, obviously. And Java is being installed. Okay, Java SE Development Kit 8 update 201 64-bit successfully installed. Close. Now what we have to do is we have to go to program files where it has been installed. Program files, where is program files? Where we can find it, just double click on operating system C drive, and program files is here, and our Java is right here. Okay, then just double click. Okay, and we can see JDK and JRE, Java Runtime Environment, and Java Development Kit. We will need Java Development Kit, and it will go like inbuilt. Okay, so we don't need to take this file path. We will need JDK file path. So I just double click and take this path. Okay, then I'll go to again control panel, double click on system security, then go to system. You can go the other way, very shortcut way from your computer. Then click on advanced system settings, then click on environment variable. We have to set up the environment variable. So to do it, first, if you don't have this Java home, then what you have to do, you have to create it. If you have this one, just click on edit, then just put the link here. Since it is same link, actually I don't need it. I'm showing you from the very beginning. Say in some new computer that are released recently, Java, Python, all this software are uh, coming in builds. It's already installed in the computer. You don't need to install them. But if your computer is a little older, then you wouldn't have this. So I just delete it just to show you. If you don't have Java in your new system variable, then we have to click on new, then just write Java underscore home. Remember, it should be all capital letters, and it will be connected to each other with underscore. Then I just paste the uh, Java development kit, the path here, and just I click OK, and it is here. Then what I have to do is go to the path variable. Okay, if you have the option like my computer, then you have to just click on new. Okay, then paste the link here and just backward slash, then just write bin. Okay, and just click OK. But if your computer is like only the parts are in the one line, then what you have to do, just double click and put semicolon and just paste it. Okay, I hope you understand. So please be careful, don't delete anything from this environment variable. Okay, uh, don't delete anything, because if you are not expert on computer, if you don't know what are this, then it can create a little problem in executing your tests or anything. Okay, your computer cannot be running. So I click on OK and click on OK, and what I can do, I just actually I just take this path and just wrote backslash and bin, because actually we have to take this path. Okay, this path, this path, these are same, just I added bin and I got this path already. Okay, so this is the shortcut. Now what I can do now, I just go back to my computer. Okay, and I can refresh. It's always better to restart your computer, but refreshing also works. Then what I do, I go to CMD and write Java, Java dot version, and I see Java version is 1.8.0, and thus we can download, install, and configure the Java environments that is mandatory to run any Selenium test execution, and thus we prepare the test environment. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to install uh, Eclipse IDE. I will show you in the next video tutorial how we can do it. Thank you. If you like this video tutorial, please don't forget to make any comment, like, or subscribe. Thank you.